Hi folks, Hugh here, and I just want to wish you a very warm welcome into the membership. If you're a new member or an already existing member, there are a few things I want you to know in order to get the most out of your membership. First, I want to just say a few things about the software. Now, many of our members have purchased our software in different licensing versions. For example, you may have already bought a single user license for VIC Pro and or a multi-site license for VVC Pro or a single license for ICC Pro and so on. And so you may have all these various licenses at different levels. But since you're an unlimited member, now what you really want to do as soon as possible is get all of your existing software upgraded to the new license level you get with our membership. That way you'll be sure to unlock all the hidden benefits provided to you in our software on the higher licensing levels. And for example, if you're running VIC Pro on a single user license, you won't have access to your Facebook fan pages until you upgrade to the unlimited license you received with your membership. You'll also get a bunch of additional image sources right away when you upgrade your license. Now, while the software will run without upgrading, as it did before, you really won't get everything you're paying for unless you upgrade your license to your unlimited functionality. And the way that you do that is by clicking the upgrade license button on the about screen of the software. Okay, now also if you're having any sort of trouble installing the software, please note that all our products other than the WordPress plugins, so that is all the desktop softwares, require Adobe Air to be installed on your computer. You can obtain that by going to http://get.adobe.com/air and following the instructions to install Adobe Air. If you don't have Adobe Air on your system, you will not be able to install the software. But if you do, you should have an option in your right-click menu. When you right-click on the installer file, you should see the option to install. Now, some of our users report that when they try to download our installers, the computer saves it as a zip file, which is kind of a mistake. It saves it as a zip file instead of an AIR file. That's because an AIR file does share some of the characteristics of a zip file, and especially in the case of Windows users who have their computer settings configured to hide file extensions for known file types, this seems to happen a lot, that the computer just sort of grabs a file and saves it as a .zip file rather than a .air file. And if you got your computer set that you can't see the file extensions, then you might have a problem, and your computer might wrongly interpret the file as a zip file when it saved your computer. Now, as I mentioned, all our installers do come in the form program version number .air. So if you have a program version number .zip file and you know that you just downloaded that, then you can sort of know that the computer changed the file extension. So you can just try changing the .zip file extension to a .air. So it would be, program version .air. Then after you save that file name, you can right-click on the file and select Install from the pop-up menu, and it should work fine from there on out. If you have any problem beyond that, you can contact us at customer service. We'll try to get you straightened out. It works okay for most people, but that's a little guidance for you in case you run into that problem. Now, the next thing I want to mention is my weekly membership training webinar, which occurs every Wednesday at 2 p.m. EST. It lasts for about an hour each week, and in these webinars I'll show you how to use all our various software tools to get the optimal traffic to your blogs and websites. And I'm also going to show you a lot of other stuff related to your online business stuff. And basically it's an awesome part of your membership materials. Please try to attend the webinars if you can. In the webinar, I'll answer any questions live that you may have at that time. If the technology doesn't fail us, I'll also have these webinars recorded and available to you in the members' website. So be sure to sign up for the webinars. If you sign up once, you'll be registered for all the sessions. So you can just sign up once, and that's all you have to do to be in it every week. Now I want to talk a little bit about our new centralized member site, actionableintelligence.net. This is our awesome brand new member site where we're putting all the materials for all our softwares, old and new, for all our unlimited members, so you don't have to log into a lot of different member sites. Although you're certainly welcome to explore the older member sites, we maintain them, and they're still running all the different member sites for each of our previous launches. And you should have registration info for those sites on your Nanocast console. You just click on the registration link, then create your account on any one of the, I think, 5 member sites we have available other than the Actionable Intelligence site. Definitely the Actionable Intelligence site will and should be considered the central locus of your membership, but you've got all these other ones to explore. So once you do create your account on the registration links that you'll find in the Nanocast console, you do not need to revisit those registration links. They can be forgotten. Instead, you can go directly to the root domain of the site, like actionableintelligence.net, instantcontentcurator.com, viralimageCreatorPro.com, etc., etc. They're all listed in your Nanocast console. Now, inside any of those sites, and especially the actionableintelligence.net site, you're going to find all our training, the downloads, webinars, and all this other cool stuff that is still there from all of our previous launches, plus all the new stuff I'm adding for our members daily. And just to whet your appetite a little bit, I'm working on a brand new keyword tool that's going to generate the money-making keywords and integrate them right into our other tools that you already know. And it's also going to interface with your blog in some awesome ways to help you get amazing traffic and the same techniques that I've been using to build up my traffic. So look for that. Okay, one more thing. A word about password resets on the member sites. If you ever need your password reset on any of our member sites, just drop us an email at customer service and we'll be happy to reset your password for you. Because it appears that for some reason the password recovery email in the wish list sites, they just don't seem to be functioning to send the new password to people. So just drop us an email, we'll reset your password for you and let you get your access right away. If I'm not running customer service, Abby will be there and she'll take care of it for you. Now, if you're not already a member of our Facebook group, please join us now at www.facebook.com/groups/VICPro. And the last thing I have to tell you is that, anytime you need anything, just hit me up on the Facebook group or drop us an email to customer service at support@instantcontentcurator.com. Again, I'm really stoked to have you here in the membership. We're going to be doing some awesome things. Definitely stop by the webinar on Wednesday. Hit me up on Facebook group. Get your licenses upgraded and get your access to these member sites so you can start soaking in all the awesome stuff and using these tools to your great benefit. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the inside. You out.